Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. We are going to do a little small unboxing and then a quick makeup look. So, I ordered from Colourpop and I cut the tape. I'm going to hold this like this because my address is on the top. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to take the sheet out. Alright, so it's all bubble wrapped. And I went on their sale. I think I paid, I don't remember. I'd have to look it up. I'll put it down below. But these were on sale. So I got the Sweet as Can Be, Winnie the Pooh. I thought it was cute and it was on sale. I think it was like $7 or $8, if that. So I'm opening it. And this is what the outside of the carton looks like. It's cute. It's all embossed. See the little butterflies. Ooh, okay. Let me take the little... Very pretty. You make a nice fall look out of that. And I got one more. Well, okay, how's that open? I don't want to rip the tape. Okay, let me go this way. Alright, so here, cute. It's the Back to Hogwarts, Harry Potter by Colourpop. I did mention this is Colourpop, right? Okay, so there's it without the sleeve. There's the back. Alright, let's open her up. Alright, it survived shipping. I'm taking the plastic off. Oh, so the names are on the back and on the palette. Ooh, that is so pretty. Some of those shimmers are just gorgeous. So I see there's some shimmers and some more like glitters and mattes. I love this area up in here. Very pretty. I'm digging it. My daughter would love it just for because it says Harry Potter. So I'm thinking I'm going to, what do I want to do? Let me look at these palettes real quick. I have the paper right here. Does it have the prices on it? No. I think my whole order was like $30 or $28, something like that. It wasn't much. Anyway, I think, what do I want to do? I think we're going to go into Harry Potter, huh? Let's do some kind of fall look. A wearable one. Let's not do Halloween, which I'm working on some new Halloween looks. Oh, I did want to make an announcement that I'm going to be in the 4th annual clown collab with Just Jessica, and I believe the videos air at 7 o'clock on October 12th. So I am going to be doing a clown look in that collab, and that's at Just Jessica. So stay tuned for that. That's exciting. I'm waiting on the clown white makeup to get here so I can film my video. Alright, so we're going to go in with Harry Potter. Alright, what do we want to do? I'm excited. Alright, so we're going to go into Hufflepuff, and just to put like a light base down, that's that color right there. And I'm only going to do one eye on camera So it's not, I need a different brush. So it's not such a long video because I am seeing you guys don't care for the longer videos. I like them. I enjoy long form content. I'll do little jokey stuff. I'm still going into Hufflepump there on TikTok, but I just don't prefer the short form. Like for makeup or whatever, I always want to know like how somebody got the look. Okay, that's pretty. Alright, now I'm going to go into Whomping Willow, which is right next to it. And I'm going to deepen. I got to go a little bit above. Of course somebody's texting me. Why wouldn't they be? I'm not trying to like deepen it. I just want to mellow it down. Let me pause this minute and grab my phone, make sure it's not an emergency. Okay, no emergency, so this is what I got so far. Alright. I think I want to go down into Mandrake. Oh, okay. And do the outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and bring it up in. I'm going to clean my brush and I'm going to go back into that Hufflepuff. I just want to blend that a little bit. Alright, and then back into Mandrake. I barely touched that color. It looks nice. Alright, I might go in with that Mandrake on the inner corner as well and do like a little kind of, I guess it's called a halo. I don't know. I'm not an MUA, so I'm just a grandma that loves makeup. Alright, so I'm going to go in. I must have bumped that a little bit. Connect these two. Alright, I'm going to go back into that Hufflepuff Puff, which is the yellow. Just blend that a little better. Alright. So now I think, I don't know, I'm like caught. I want to do a sparkle in the middle. So I'm looking at Liquid Luck. So I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, that's pretty bright orange though. Or that. I can't read that. Invisibility Cloak. Ooh, I think that's the one we're going to go with. So this is the Liquid Luck. And this is Invisibility Cloak. Hell yeah, we're going with that one. Okay. I'm going to put that on my finger. Oh, that's pretty. All right, now I do want to try that with a brush. Oh, Okay, so that dents in when you go on with the brush. You're going to have to go with a light touch. And I might bring that into the corner a little bit. Oh, I like that. Okay. We're going to leave that. But I want a little bit of sparkle. Let me find a smaller brush. A more punky brush, please. Okay. Not that one. Not that one. And let's see. Gillyweed down there. And I just want to do a little dot. Not that dotted. Just that tiniest bit. Okay. So, what kind of... I don't know. I think I'm going to go in with a green. A green? I want something like opposite the color wheel. Not blue though, because this is orange and brown. Green is where I'm heading. Maybe. Do I have green? Let me pause this so I can look. Okay, I am back, and I went ahead and did the other eye. So this looks a little bit different. I'm going to touch that Hufflepump and that Whomping Willow and bring that up just a little more. I love that invisibility cloak. That's the shimmer is going to be a favorite. I'm really digging that. And I put a dark green eyeliner on. And I put e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara. My eyelashes are not cooperating today, but I have been sick, so I don't know about you guys. It seems like it takes me like a week or two to retrain my eyelashes to curl up if I've been sick, because I don't wear makeup when I'm sick. So, in one of the bags, one of the mystery boxes, I did get a Jeffree Star blush. Magic Star liquid blush. And it's in the color Candy Petals, and I'm being told that you only need... Oh, okay. The smallest drop. So we'll start with that much and see what happens. Alright, where is my... Wow, I don't know what's wrong with me today. I just keep misplacing stuff. Okay, I'm going to use... Okay, let's use the on the other side as well. Oh my goodness, Jeffree. Seriously, okay. So that one drop... Now it does blend out nice. Okay, you need one drop for your whole face. And that might even be a little too much. Wow, it's pretty though, isn't it? Let's put a little on my nose. Make me look like I've been out in the sun. I didn't get much sun this year. Even though I was out, I didn't And I tanned a little bit. All right, Jeffrey. So, okay. So if you buy Jeffrey's liquid blush and you're like me, this will last you the rest of your life. So that'll be the only one, unless you want a different color. That'll be the only one you need that you saw, that little drop. So that's a hell yeah. I'm going to spray on this, take your skin on a trip with the dual layer mushroom mist. I don't know if it's a setting mist or not. I just like it. And what I actually am using this as part of my skincare. I do my skincare and then I put this on. And it seems to have made a difference. So, and my skin has not been the best with being sick. So there's that. All right. So what do I want to do for lips? I usually have my. I kind of don't want lipstick on today, so I'm just gonna use the Jeffree Star lip balm. Has a tiny bit of sparkle to it. It's right there. My lips are really dried out right now, and I've been doing the lip mask and that on. So, what do you guys think? I think this, maybe next week I'll go into the next part. So I basically stayed up here. Maybe I'll do a darker look or a Halloween look down here. And then, of course, we're going to want to do the honey one. Do a look from this palette. Maybe I'll do that next week or this weekend. Whatever. So what do you guys think? I think it turned out pretty nice. Very wearable look. And that blush from Jeffree Star. Holy shit. Okay. Like I said, you'll never have to buy another blush unless you just want a different color, because with a little tiny dot like that, that'll last you a lifetime. All right, so with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember that I'm going to be in the 4th annual Clown Collab with Just Jessica. She's hosting that, and that'll be coming up on October 12th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I believe. And if there's any changes, I will let you know. You're going to be seeing, I'll put a little advertisement on as we get closer to time. I haven't done my look yet. I'm waiting on my Clown White stuff to come in the mail. So, you have a wonderful and blessed day. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.